What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For those who do, my name is Elijah. Today, we have season finale. I think season finale or core finale, however you want to say that, of Chainsaw episode 12. I have no idea how Aki's going to get through this. He just got choked out. Denji's still on the hunt with power-defying Katana Man. Maki taking out bodies from a whole nother region of Japan. And it's just straight pure mayhem with the zombies down below with the other fiends and devils. So, this is going to end dramatically, obviously. I'm curious to see what happens. And so, let me say, we're just going to dive right on in. Yeah! I don't know how. And he's out. Flashback. That room will look nice though, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Oh, okay, we're seeing your perspective of this. Oh, he really did smoke this one? Oh, this is real sad. Oh, okay. What? I'm confused. What happened? Why is he still... Don't tell me that's the cigarette. She confused. I'm confused with her. What's happening? That's crazy. But what's the purpose? Easy revenge. Yeah, when does she have time to do this? But how? Can I at least get that explanation? How? This thing was about to kill you, not killing you, and it gave you a cigarette. Make it make sense. Okay, but you were about to die, and I'm pretty sure you were scared to die. Oh, you killed... But I don't... But you got Aiden come back, and now you severed the... Alright. Was it not on your side? Like, did it not see you anymore because you didn't fear it? I have questions. Snake. Oh, quick. Okay. Ooh, wow. All right. Quick. That's a good question. And these two are just... Ew. Oh, should have never said that. Well. Oh, okay, ninja woman. Yeah, you just left her there? Okay. She's insane. He just left her horribly. And you don't care. We're willing to surrender upon your attitude. Okay. Yeah. I ain't never heard a response like that. He's not lying. He's not lying though. That's actually what happened. Oh, he's gonna say no. Yeah. Oh, your heart? So you just seem as Denji for real. That Denji has been questioning that too. He was like, shouldn't I be sad? Oh, like that? He changes like that? He just ripped his hand off. Yeah? Well. Ooh, well. This is the fight. Denji. And they going at it. Ooh. He got some combat training at least. Dang. Yeah. Alright, it's all you, Denji. Dang. Ooh. Oh wow, I forgot there would be people on here. Oh dang. Oh no. Dang. He lost one arm. Here we go. The Shishi Sunsun. I ain't gonna apologize for that. That man was horrible. Alright, show me how you gonna win with no arms. Well, what did he just block with? Oh wow. This music. Ooh, one sliced. Oh, the... Yeah. Ooh, okay. Yeah, that's over. Should never trust a hunter. That's what homie taught him. Say less. Say less. He did. I forgot about the shot. Give him nut shots. Well,
お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。正気かお前。ああ。勝ったら何くれんだ。
hey.
そりゃもちろんこいつの玉金よ。
Hey. Well. Hey. You can regenerate. That's why they don't really care. Weird. All right. Okay. Yeah. They're actually having fun. The disrespect. Hey. Hey. Take it. Take it.
今回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。彼女が銃の悪魔と契約し、銃をやれません。今回の事件でビル内から銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
Oh, we on the move.
ついにか。どこに向かって動いた
Oh, this the ending? Oh, okay. Random. Hey. Hey. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, wait. I forgot it's copyright. Copyright, wait. Is there more to this? Yes, there is. Wait a second. They eating. They eating. Now we got a hotel. Say less. Oh, wait, this was really showing what they were doing? Oh, that's crazy. Okay. I just wish I knew how. You still gonna smoke cigarettes after this? It'd be funny if that's like a contract and he didn't know. A smoke devil. That'd be interesting. Don't tell me this whole ending scene, end credits, is just you doing this. Don't tell me that was... Yeah? Oh, something else. Somebody dreaming. Okay.
いつも見て、いつも忘れる夢。
Someone speaking?
落ちた。
Oh, that's his... Wow.
落ちた。出てこいよ。夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。デンジ、
絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
What? What? What is this now?
Denji君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Random. What? Come on, man. These bizarre endings and cliffhangers, like what? Questions. So, question 1. How did the first off Ghost Devil survive? Because last we checked, he got his whole body ate up. Came back just to get his head chopped off again. Passed on a dying message of a cigarette. How? Possibilities, questions, I need answers. Because it just stopped killing him. Next thing. Who in the world knows about these hybrid devils, right? Because homie said, yeah, they replaced my heart with the Katana one. So he's just like Denji, but... And the reason why I say I'm a little iffy about that is because Denji's heart was merged. It wasn't necessarily swapped out. I don't know if there's a difference in that explanation, or maybe that was a translation error or whatever, because Pochi fused with his heart. He didn't necessarily replace his heart. You know what I mean? Like, if that makes sense. Dude said they swapped out his heart. I don't know if there's a complete difference in that. Second thing, well, probably not second thing. The other thing is like, who was that girl at the end? Lastly, Pochi's saying, don't open this door. Is that gonna undo the contract that Denji has with Pochi? Is that what it is? I ain't gonna lie, I'm very tempted to read the manga after this. And I might do chapter reviews until I see the full animation. Because they tell me, oh, in 3 years, manga time. Know what I mean? Manga time. But other than that, great series. It's very dark and gloomy. And I'm pretty sure it's going to get worse from here. Because now we got to target the Gun Devil. Now we know where to find him. So I'm pretty sure, or she, whatever, and I'm pretty sure it's just going to get more chaotic from there. Because now we got to take homie out. And then he's going to be sending stuff after Denji. So hey, I wonder what the beef is between the chainsaw and the gun. That's very interesting to me. That's a very odd combination. But hey, we'll find out whenever the next season drops. So, y'all let me know what y'all think. Happy New Year's. Happy holidays. Until we meet again, y'all stay safe and be blessed. Peace.